Hi, this is Srinuvasulu safety nets. Friends, you're looking, this is industrial safety net. Now we are installing the net around the plastic polymer company because so many of pigeons entering into the company and the whole the company is dirty. Friends, if you need this, call to my numbers displayed on display screen. Okay friends, it looks like very good. I think if you like it, call to us. And this is the big contract. If anyone need like this, and if anyone need for industrial safety nets, if any balcony or anything we can made around the Hyderabad, not only Hyderabad, Pune also, and so many branches we have. You can call me from anywhere, we will come. Okay friends, thank you. Bye bye.
కొంచెం దూరం పెట్టి అలా పెడితే రాదు.